everyone, this is Ibrahim and this is my first video on YouTube. Probably I have created a couple of videos earlier as well, but this is the first video in which I am speaking in front of the camera. So I've got an opportunity to travel to Africa, Kenya, and I'm going to share this experience with you guys as well. So let's get started. Our security, immigration, check-in, everything is done. I'm on the belt now and hopping on the flight. Let's see how the flight goes. It's a 6-hour flight. Hope everything goes alright.
I know a morning view from the window could have been much better. A quick fit check in the airport washroom. The airport staff, the airport crew were fabulous, and once we got off from the plane, we walked a little bit until the bus appeared. Then we went into the bus. It was just a few seconds away and we reached the entrance of the Nairobi airport.
Okay, I'm at the Nairobi airport. I already came out of the airport and it's approximately 13 degrees Celsius right now, which is pretty cold out there. And waiting for a cab. यहाँ पे Uber मिला है मुझे. They approximately charge between 2,000 to 2,500 for 20 kilometers. So you know if the rate is comparatively cheaper, but yeah, that's the option you got once you get off from the airport.
The driver was awesome. He charged me approximately 2,000 shilling, and this is a view from the hotel room. If you did like this video, a small subscribe and a like would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.